cold again. Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy. I'm just kidding. Can you imagine if I did that? Look here with Clean Automotive Detailing. I'm on my way to a job right now. We were working on a 2018 Sierra Denali? I don't know, I think it's a Denali. And I just wanted to make a quick video. I didn't really have any ideas for anything to talk about. I just felt like talking. I felt like making a video, so here I am making a video. Yesterday, I was working on the 2016 Volkswagen Jetta GLI. And again, I had camera troubles with my gimbal. My gimbal broke / stopped. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. It doesn't work anymore, so I am going to be ordering a tripod for my phone so that I'm not dealing with electronics to go wrong with. So I'm gonna go ahead and order that tonight and hopefully have that ready for next weekend. Next weekend we are supposed to be working on a 2011 or 12 F-150, and we got some pretty serious paint correction to work on that one. I'll get back with you guys in a minute. All right, I'm only going in for one thing. Damn it. I am excited that I'm going to be investing in, I suppose, if you will, a new polisher, because right now I am working with a Brio's Garage 6-inch dual action random orbital, whatever. It's a great machine, don't get me wrong. I love Brio's products. I love all of Brio's products. I know that they're a little bit overpriced and people have kind of an issue with that, but in my mind, if it works, I mean, I guess it's worth the price. I mean, for example, I don't know, if you guys are familiar with their heavy-duty wheel cleaner, but I mean, it's one of the best wheel cleaners I've ever used. Now, I could jump on that for hours, but I won't. You're welcome. I've got my 6-inch random orbital. It's great, but it doesn't have the power. Now, point of note here, it does have the power to cut through pretty much any defect, right? It does not have the power to do it quickly. Kind of getting into summer, I'm starting to pick up with clients. I need to be efficient in my time at a job. So, having said all of that, I will be purchasing one of three things. I still have not decided yet. I've probably spent 25 hours on YouTube and forums and sites such as the like, trying to decide on which machine I want to buy, because it's a big purchase. It can be anywhere between $300 to $500, and I mean, for me, a small detailer, that's a lot of money. So the machines in question that I am looking at are the Flex 3401, obviously, the Rupes Bigfoot system, the LHR15, the LHR21, also the Rupes, I love saying that, Miele, which is their forced rotation. Finally, the Makita P05000C. Those are the 5 devices that I'm looking at, the 5 tools that I'm looking at buying. I cannot make my mind up between forced rotation and a long throw polisher. There are a lot of videos out on YouTube, but there aren't many that kind of put them up head to head in a good comparison test. So maybe someday down the line, that's something that I can add to the market, the scene. That is what I'm dealing with right now. The photography equipment, the polisher. I'm getting t-shirts made, which is pretty awesome. So anyways, that's what's going on in my life right now. I just wanted to make a quick little video to kind of fill in my 15 subscribers, shout out, on what is going on and why my videos have not been great lately. Not that they were really great in the first place. I get that, why they haven't been as frequent. And the more that I do this and the more that I put the phone in front of my face, kind of the more comfortable I get with it. So, yeah, I love it. I'm loving it. I'm loving you guys for commenting on it and making me feel good. So, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And, yeah, that was probably a really long rant. Sorry. I have not decided if I'm going to make a video on this Sierra that I'm going to do right now. Magic 8 Ball is leaning towards no, because I really just don't have a good way to position my camera. It just gets frustrating kind of trying to move this around and trying to prop it up on you know, whatever I can. It's crummy. So anyways, tripod's coming. Thanks for watching this video. I love you guys. Ta.